Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a golf cart tire from the rim. Begin by moving the cart to a flat surface and chalking the wheels, then loosen lug nuts slightly before lifting. Use a jack rated for the cart and support with stands, fully remove lug nuts, and take the wheel off. Keep parts organized and inspect the rim and tire for corrosion or embedded debris before proceeding to bead breaking. After removing the wheel, deflate the tire fully and remove the valve core to ensure no trapped air. Position the bead breaker and press or hammer carefully until the bead disengages from the rim on one side. Flip the wheel and repeat for the other side, then use tire irons to pry the bead over the rim lip, working a few inches at a time until the tire is free from the rim. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can change how you think about money, and it pairs nicely with DIY savings from maintaining your golf cart yourself. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab a copy if interested, and now let's get back to the video. Before reinstalling, clean the rim thoroughly and inspect both tire bead and rim for damage or corrosion that could prevent a good seal. Apply soapy water to the bead area to help it slide on and reduce pinch risk. Then mount one side of the tire and work the opposite bead over the rim evenly. Inflate slowly while watching the bead seat, then torque lug nuts to the cart manufacturer's spec.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.